So I thought this was recording the whole time. Oh, and it wasn't. So, this is my package. Look, there's what I already opened. From an Etsy shop at Amber Gavin in Oregon, Wisconsin. So that's her card, and I will link her Etsy shop below. These are all pots. Some of them are hanging that I got for, I don't know, to add to my jungle over there. Yep, I have a jungle. Look at that jungle. You can't really see it because it's backlit. Oh, and there's a big old mess. Look at how messy my house is. Look over here. Where's the rabbit? Oh, there's Gussie. Just kind of sitting in the sun. Okay, anyway, back to why I decided to record this. So I'm super excited. I love supporting artists. And her work online looks beautiful. She has some mugs that I would actually really like to get, but right now I just have pots. Yeah, this is really stupid of me and totally dangerous because it could fall and break. Ah! Okay, I paused for a second. You know, to make sure I don't drop anything and break it. Let's not break our new stuff. Look at this. I love the pots that have their own little drip tray like attached, so you don't have to get, your own. It's got a little hole here. So it can drain. Oh, look, she signs her stuff. Oh, I just love it. It's beautiful. Will any of this stuff match my decor? It doesn't really matter. No, my decor is no decor. And this is a hanging one. Look at that. Look at it. Oh, look at that. I don't know. Is that called flashing? I don't know. I know enough about pottery to maybe just be a little bit dangerous. And it's a hanging one. I'm so excited. I can't hold it. I'm so excited. I think I might hang this one in my room. We'll see. And this is the little one, which actually I think, oh, look at that. Oh, it looked a lot greener in the picture, but I love it. I still just totally love it. Look at that little variation, that little orange, hint of orange in it, and there is a hint of green here. Oh, I love it. So actually, I don't know, it might not be tall enough. I was thinking that maybe my orchid, this would be a nice one for my orchid that's upstairs. But anyway, oh, don't worry. Ooh! Sorry, I got all excited. I think my Hoya rope would be great in that. It's a little baby. Or my Hoya, I don't know what it's called. My Hindu rope. Yeah, that's what I was trying to say. And this one, it really matches really well with this one. These look like companion pieces. See, they both have the same kind of flashing or whatever it's called down here, the same glaze. And it's almost got a little bit of blue in it. Oh, I'm so excited about it. And this is another hanging one. Oh, look at that. Oh, I should probably turn off this light that I have over my head. But I'm so excited. Oh, look at them. Oh, Amber, such a beautiful job. I'm so excited. to use these. That's part of the fun. I mean, plants are super fun. I'm really excited about my plants. Believe me, I don't even know now. 90, I don't know. Maybe I'll link my blog post someplace that's got all my my newfound plants, which is only a portion of them. But yeah, maybe, part of the fun is finding the right pot for them. At least that's part of the fun for me. And I really use almost all of my pots as cache pots, which just means I just put the nursery, whatever the nursery pot is, right inside. I don't actually plant them in these pots for several reasons. One, I try not to replant my plants because that's just another way for me to kill them, and because they seem to be doing okay, so why mess with something that doesn't need to? I quarantine my new plants when I get them, so they just hang out on their own, like in the corner, like bad little plants, for like a week to make sure they don't have bugs, and I water them, and then I move them around to see where's going to be the best place for them. But I also give them mosquito bit tea in the first first couple of waterings, just to make sure that if there are any bugs in the soil, it just helps kill them. And knock on wood, I have no wood. This is wood. Knock on wood. I have not had a bug problem, with the exception of the plant I bought, I don't even know, probably a year and a half ago, before I really got into plants, and it had spider mites, which my neighbor diagnosed for me, and I got rid of really easily. They were actually really easy to get rid of. Soap and some water, and just wash the leaves. And I actually only did it once, and it was gone. So let's hope that I have all these plants that are close together, that nothing happens, and somebody doesn't get infected. Oh, I also have been putting cinnamon. Put some cinnamon on the top because they say that, don't like that. That bugs don't like that. So I haven't, every once in a while I see some gnats and they go away. And I just got this guy over here. So he eats bugs. So don't come over here because I have somebody that will eat you. So, yeah. So I have one orchid, which has kind of been my new obsession, orchids, that is a little bit smaller than this guy, that might fit in that other pot. So we shall see. I'll insert a picture if it does. Thanks for watching.